The year is 2026, and the global labor market is experiencing a shift that we haven't seen since the Industrial Revolution. For decades, we were told that robots would replace manual labor, the blue-collar workers. But the reality of 2026 is different. It's the white-collar professionals, the coders, the accountants, and the middle managers who are finding themselves in the crosshairs of artificial intelligence. If you feel a sense of unease about your career, you aren't being paranoid. You are being observant. According to recent economic data from the World Economic Forum and leading tech analysts, nearly 40% of global employment is now exposed to AI. But this isn't just about job losses. It's about a fundamental restructuring of how value is created. Today, we are going to analyze the 10 specific professions that are being phased out in 2026. And more importantly, I'm going to show you the expert-level strategy to stay ahead of this wave. Let's start with the first category: data entry and basic analysis. In the past, companies hired entire departments to organize spreadsheets and interpret basic trends. Today, specialized AI agents can process a year's worth of data in seconds with zero errors. If your job involves moving data from point A to point B, the machine has already won. The same applies to basic bookkeeping and accounting. Professional analysts are no longer calculating. They are auditing what the AI has already calculated. Move to the legal field. Paralegals and junior associates used to spend hundreds of hours on legal research and document review. In 2026, AI models trained specifically on case law can draft contracts and find legal precedents faster than any human brain. This doesn't mean lawyers are gone, but it means the entry-level ladder is being cut. Next is customer service. Look around you. The chatbots of 2023 were annoying. But the AI voice agents of 2026 are indistinguishable from humans. They have emotional intelligence. They don't get tired, and they speak 50 languages fluently. For large corporations, the cost-to-benefit ratio is undeniable. Human-led customer support is becoming a luxury service, not a standard. Even the creative world isn't safe. Graphic design and basic content creation have been democratized. What used to take a week in Photoshop now takes a 30-second prompt in a generative AI engine. Professional designers in 2026 are no longer pixel pushers. They have evolved into creative directors who manage AI tools. If you are a designer who refuses to use AI, you are competing against a machine that works 1,000,000 times faster than you. So what is the golden strategy used by the experts who are thriving in this economy? They follow the Centaur Model. A centaur is half human, half horse. In the workforce, a centaur is a professional who is half expert, half AI operator. They don't fight the machine. They steer it. To survive 2026, you must pivot to what I call high-value human skills. These are things that I still struggles with: complex problem-solving, deep empathy, ethical judgment, and strategy. I can give you the how, but as a human, you must provide the why. Experts are now investing their time in learning prompt engineering and AI orchestration. They are learning how to connect different AI tools to create a finished product. The biggest mistake you can make right now is waiting for things to go back to normal. There's no normal. The friction between human labor and machine efficiency is the new reality. But remember, every time a door closes, a window opens. The Industrial Revolution didn't end work. It changed it. The AI revolution is doing the same. Your goal is not to beat the AI, it is to be the human who knows how to use it better than anyone else. As we move forward in this series, we are going to look at the specific tools you need to master and the new high-paying jobs that didn't even exist 2 years ago. The future belongs to the curious, the adaptable, and the bold. Don't just watch the change happen, be the one who leads it. If you found this analysis helpful, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Because in the next video, we are diving deep into the 5 AI-proof skills that will make you indispensable in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.